tone your upper body and uplift your posture in this 5-minute quickie Pilates workout that you can do at your desk. We'll all start by finding a comfortable seat, taking a second to get situated. So you might be on the floor like me, or if you're at your desk, you can just sit with your feet on the floor, posture tall. We're gonna lift the hands up and press the arms out and in. So you could do this with weights if you have them nearby. You just wanna make sure your posture stays lifted. We all have a tendency to lean back here. And then if you don't have weights like me, it's no problem. You're just gonna tense and squeeze your own muscles so that you're moving like it's through something sticky like molasses or peanut butter. So there's still tension and tone in the upper body. Nice. We're gonna bring the arms out to the side now, not going too far behind yourself. You should still be able to see fingertips in your peripheral vision. Stomach pulls up and in, and you press the arms out and in here. Again, using weights if you have them handy, or just tensing and toning your own muscles by really flexing the bicep and pulling the arms in like they're heavy. Sometimes it's easier to do this if you actually move a little more slowly, so don't feel like you have to keep up with me. We'll just press the arms out and in one more time, and then the arms are gonna come together, down, and you're gonna curl down and up, adding a little wrist flick. This is so amazing if you've been typing or texting a lot. You're gonna flick the wrists back at the bottom of the curl, and then curl the wrist back up towards the shoulders. You can see I'm demonstrating that for you here. And just want to make sure you don't lean the body forward as the wrists go back. So it's just going to be a wrist flick, but again, we're uplifting the posture here, so posture stays tall. Try this a couple more times. Nice deep breaths. Keep lifting through your stomach. The next time the fists curl up, we're going to lift the elbows back to that first position, pressed wide to the second position, come back to the center, and then go down. So this is amazing for opening the upper back, a place where a lot of us start to develop maybe a little hump as we get older. You really want to imagine you're pushing through, again, that heavy, sticky texture so that we're really turning on tone in the muscles, regardless of if you have weights. Making sure the posture stays lifted and tall, stomach is pulled in. We're really pressing back to crack a walnut between the shoulder blades each time. Last one. Nice. And then we'll take a moment, take a little stretch. We're gonna reach the right arm up and then just side bend. If you're on the floor, you can support a hand on the floor. If you're in your chair, you can grab the side of your chair. Should feel so good. And then you're gonna lift the posture back up and switch the hands. Big breath in at the top. Core stays engaged this whole time. We're still lifting and toning. We're just stretching at the same time now. I think sometimes we feel like it has to be one or the other, but it actually feels best if you can do both. Couple more times on each side, your own pace, your own range of motion. Nice deep breaths. Okay, when you're even between both sides, we're gonna lift both arms up and hold them together overhead for shaving. So we're bending the elbows into a diamond shape here and pulling the hands to the back of our head. Really important detail here, you don't wanna move the head forward out of the way. See how that knocks over my posture? We're using flexibility and tension, strength in the shoulders and upper back to pull the arms, elbows wide. Nice, we'll just do this one more time. And then arms are gonna open out to the side like you're hugging a huge beach ball. You're gonna inhale, squeeze, exhale, open. So keeping a softness in the elbow, we've slightly rounded the arms here. And again, we're getting into the shoulders, the upper back, we're toning the arms, we're lifting the posture, we're pulling the stomach in. Nice deep breaths here, press the arms in and out 2 more times. Excellent. Final exercise, really simple. Just inhale the arms up overhead, and then exhale, circle the arms down and around. So we're just mobilizing the shoulders now, moving all that strength. And continuing to lift in that posture. Let's reverse those circles. Feel this massaging the scapula through the upper back, opening the chest. Last one. Press the arms down. And that is it. You are all done. Thank you so much for doing this short and sweet workout with me. I hope you feel lifted and taller. If you're looking for more ways to hack your self-care, I'd love to invite you to my Facebook group, Holistic Self-Care Through Movement. I've linked that up in the description below. And of course, if you want to support more free videos like this one, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on the mat.